Hello and welcome once again to another video in this channel. So in today's video we are going to go through the question 25 of the WAEC 2025 mathematics objective question. So it says if 2 log to base 2 of 1 minus square root of x all divided by square root of x is equal to 0, find the value of x. And option A is half, option B is quarter, option C is 1, and option D is 0. Okay, so let's go into solving a particular question so we're going to know the best option out of the given options. Okay, so now we have that 2 log of base 2 of 1 minus square root of x all over square root of x is equal to 0. So we can first divide both sides by 2, right? So here divided by 2, right hand also divided by 2. So these 2 can cancel these 2, and 0 over 2 is actually going to be equal to 0. So we actually imply that log to base 2 of 1 minus square root of x all over square root of x is equal to 0. Okay, now we know that from relationships, if the log of a number log a, right, of base b is equal to c, right? So this implies that a in index form is going to be equal to b to the power of c. So we're actually going to convert this logarithmic equation into the index notation. So going by that, we have that this particular logarithmic equation is going to be equal to, in this case right now, b is 2 and a is 1 minus square root of x all divided by x, and c is 0. So we have that 1 minus square root of x all divided by square root of x is going to be equal to 2 to the power of 0. And we know that 2 to the power of 0 is equal to what? 1. Whatever to the power of 0 is still 1. So for the left hand side, we know that 1 minus square root of x all over square root of x is equal to 1. Okay, so we can actually multiply both sides by the square root of x, so that we're going to have that for the left hand side, square root of x multiplied by 1 minus square root of x all over square root of x is going to be equal to square root of x all multiplied by 1. So for the left hand side, we're going to cancel the denominator. And here we're going to have that for the right hand side, whatever multiplied by 1 is that same number or that same digit or that same variable. So we're going to have that the right hand side is going to be equal to square root of x, or 1 minus square root of x is going to be equal to square root of x. Okay, so let's move the negative square root of x on the left hand side to the right hand side. It's going to have a positive, so that we're going to have that 1 is equal to square root of x plus square root of x. And this is the same thing as 2 root x. So, or we can have that 2 root x is equal to 1. So dividing both sides by 2, we're going to have that the square root of x is the same as 1 over 2. But since we're looking for x, we're going to now square both sides. We're going to square both sides so that the square cancels the square root. And we're going to have that x is equal to, square this. So 1 squared is 1, and then 2 squared is 4. So that means x is equal to 1 over 4, which is option B. So based on what you've learned in this video, here's a similar question for you. And it says, if 3 log to base 3 of 1 minus square root of x all divided by x is equal to 0, find the value of x. Option A is quarter, option B is half, option C is 3/4, and option D is 1. So solve your question and actually drop the solutions in the comment section, and I will do well to look at them. If you like this video, help the channel by subscribing to this channel. Also share this video to your colleagues so that you can also learn from this video. Without much further ado, I will leave it to it that math is easy. Do have a nice day. Thank you.